Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can use the existing column and row headings in a table or list within a worksheet to name an adjacent range of cells. To use this method of creating named ranges, select the cell range to name, including any titles to use as the range names. Then click the Create from Selection button in the Define Names button group on the Formulas tab of the ribbon. In the Create Names from Selection dialog box that appears, check the checkboxes that show where the range names appear in your selection. Usually, you won't need to change the checkboxes in this dialog box, as Excel looks for text values at the edges of your selection from which it can create range names. When the correct location of the cells to use for the named ranges are checked in the Create Names from Selection dialog box, finish the process by clicking the OK button to create them.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.